Hello everybody, in this video we show how to use teletext. To open teletext, first press the button with the 3 dots on your Magic Remote. Then scroll down and select teletext. You can use the program up and down button to switch the teletext pages. And you can also use the colored buttons to select the options as shown on the screen. To use more teletext options, press the 3 dot button, scroll down and select teletext option. For example, here you can select index to go back to the index page. Use the back button to exit the menu and to exit teletext. This is how you can use teletext. For more help, contact your local LG help desk.